Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Monday, March 13th, 2017. It's cold out, but it's nice, bright, sunny day. You can see nice, bright blue sky. Got a good feeling about this. I think winter is loosening its grip here in New England. What could possibly go wrong? So in New England, if you don't like the weather, just wait a minute. Oh man, where'd the blue sky go? Winter's back. Let's see, it looks like we're almost at 6 inches. So if we can get this to focus past the glass, which I don't think it can do. Oh, there it is. Almost 6 inches. So I tied this ruler that I made up to the fence post, and we'll measure as we go along how much snow we get tomorrow. And it's starting to get pretty heavy now. We're supposed to get upwards of 2 to 4 inches an hour at this stage, but they've cut back on the totals in my area. We might get up to 12 inches. So we're going to miss out on maybe the 18-inch high that we had a chance of getting earlier, and it's starting to get windy now, and the power's flickered on and off a couple of times. Looks like spring's on hold. So this is where the storm is in Massachusetts. A lot of dark blues sweeping across. So you can see the rain-snow line is approaching. I think it's supposed to get some rain now. So I don't know if I should go out there now with the snowblower. But yeah, they're already talking about another storm approaching. I didn't even hear when. Next weekend or something. So, but the snowblower should be all set to go. Started it up yesterday, no problem. Got the snowblower gassed up and ready to go. This is New England Gardening, Tuesday, March 14th, 2017. Another snowstorm. Thanks for watching.